Lamson used a bullhorn in his TV ads. Lamson said he had to yell to make Cooper stop overspending. Cute trick.
Katie, you gonna eat some pizza?
Was Nick Lamson doing the spending?
Let me show you what she does. She's very scary when she eats. I'm so scared to feed her. Okay, see, that's a good girl. Come on, Katie.
She got it?
Yeah, she got it already. Here you
Little
go, Mimi.
piranha.
Come on, Nini.
You're not even done chewing, Katie.
Okay. And I don't want to give them the masala. Come on, Katie. You're such animals.
Those crazy eyes.
No more. All done.
Learn more at Randalls.com. Randalls, ingredients for life.
And now a message from Barack and Michelle Obama.
Like an animal.
Keep licking the nose.